Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Dragon Ball Legends. This will basically give you unlimited Chrono Crystal in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as unlock all characters, unlimited Chrono Crystals, God mode, one hit kill and much more. The first thing you need to do is to grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have Dragon Ball Legends installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is so simply. Open your favorite browser and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type like me Dragon Ball Legends and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your device. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.